So you got your color matched latches for your saddlebags. Now you want color matched latches for your tour pack. Well, guess what? We got the color matched latches and hinges for your tour pack, and all you need to install this is a T20. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by opening up the tour pack. And if you have a liner, you're gonna have to move it back a little bit to access the bolts. So we're gonna start by taking off the latch. Sure you got your washers when you take them off. Just the last one in there. Take your color matched part, put it on top there. Started. And you just want these snug. So now we're going to take off the bottom. You take this last one out, make sure you got all the latch so it doesn't fall. Original latch. Take your color matched latch, make sure you got it right. Put that on. Get all these started by hand. Okay, and once you get all those started by hand, you just want to take your T20, make sure they're all snug. Okay, next we're going to do the hinges. We're going to do these hinges one at a time, and if you can have a friend help you hold the hood, it'll make it that much easier. Make sure you get your weather stripping out of the way. Hold your latch there. Grab your color matched latch. So we're installing the top right now. Tighten up your bottoms, nice and snug. And give your buddy a break. Go team. Is it in? Okay, put your liner back. Now we're going to close the lid and make sure everything lines up. And that is how you install your color matched tour pack latches and hinges. See you next time.